2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. Start the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body. 1, 2, 3. Follow. 5, 6, 7. We're gonna give her 1.5 right. Guys, stay to the left side of the slot. Left hand comes up on 1. Right hand stays down. Turn her on 2, 3. I'm gonna let her step forward on 5. So now on 6, 7, go over the head with the left hand and back charge. 6, get off the slot. 7 to the left. So now we're going to be bringing her forward on 1. Keep the left hand close. My right hand turns her on 2, 3. I'm going to end the turn on 5. Now I'm going to do a side step on 6, bringing the right hand to my left hand. 6. And ladies are applying pressure. So now we're going to be giving her a quick left on 7. Instead of her completing the turn, I'm going to catch her from the arm and make her cross in front. 1. Left hand goes behind the back on 2. So now on 3, the right arm is going to turn her. 3, as guys turn right, we follow her 5 to the right side of the slot, 6, 7, push pull. Because now we're going to be turning her on 1 with the left hand. 1, I'm going to offset her on 2, we step 3, we're going to walk under the hand, 5, mark our time, and switch, 6, 7, making a big circle with our hands. So now on 1, I'm going to be giving her a quick right. 1, I'm going to step to the side 2, as I prep her. So now on 3, I'm going to unwind her to the left as I pike 3. Follow her on 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
5, 6, 7. Start with the basic. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Cross body leap. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. I'm going to do a full turn to the right on 2. 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to step forward on 5. Have a turn to the left and back on 6, 7. Now we're going to step forward on 1, turn to the right on 2, 3, 5. We're going to step to the side on 6, then do a quick left on 7. Now here we're going to cross in front, have a turn on 1, back on 2, start turning to the right on 3, then 5, 6, 7. We're going to do a quick turn to the left on 1, forward on 2, misdirection back on 3, finish it on 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to do a quick right on 1. We're going to prep on 2. Then we're going to turn on 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Cross body leap. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
Hi guys, it's Angie from Casa Salsa. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out our other free videos with tips and tricks for the dance floor. Make sure you subscribe to the link below so you don't miss any of our new upcoming content. And if you look in the description, you'll find a link to our website to get access to exclusive content. And if you want to take a live class with us, you can do so as well. Link on the description. See you next time.